Hi, it's Tiki Tuesday. Again, every week. That's the whole idea, isn't it? So anyhow, these video things are going to kind of be like an ongoing update as to what we're doing. We have several projects in the Tiki world that are going on. TikiTuesdays.org, the website is being developed. We have the framework in place and everything else. It's going to be a WordPress site, so it's going to be a blog. If you guys have some suggestions as to what we should include content-wise, hey, give us a holler. The next update is, of course, bowling shirts and the bowling league. We have a website, tikigods.org, for the bowling league. It won't get launched. It's going to probably be delayed until just before September. It's going to be a relatively simple site, but you guys are more than welcome to start emailing, and I'll get you in touch with people in your own locale, and we can start forming up teams. We have custom bowling shirts that have been designed. They're all the same color, all the same design, various sizes. What we're going to do is we're going to put individual teams embroidered or heat transferred information on as is required. But the backs are all the same, the fronts are all the same. So it doesn't matter where you are on the planet, you'll be able to recognize another Tiki God Bowling League member just by the outfit. So if you see photos up on the internet and that sort of thing, there they are. The radio station, wow. Been a lot of interest in the radio station. We've gotten all kinds of suggestions in from you guys, but we still need about another 2,200 entries into the playlist. So the more the merrier. Some of them are becoming a little difficult to find because they're that eclectic, but that's what we want. We want what you guys definitely want to listen to. So the radio station, we're going to try and bump that up, and we've been buying digital equipment and everything else. We've been looking into broadcasting a physical live radio station, an actual like broadcast beyond internet. That's something else. And we have a big surprise for next week at this time about the radio station. We're just confirming it, and we might even have a little teaser as to what it's all about. So there's a lot of interest going on. One of the other things that's been suggested now is we might actually be doing a monthly movie night at one of the local theaters in the Vancouver and Surrey area. So there you go. There's more and more coming. Your suggestions are welcome. I encourage everybody to get hands-on. Anybody who wants to get involved in the whole Tiki movement that it is, please do. Please. I only got 2, and they're pretty busy. I'm trying to earn a living in between. So there you go, folks. Tiki Tuesday. Happy Tiki Tuesday. Grab your little umbrella drink and sit out on the deck. Just like me. Enjoy the sunshine. Liquid as it may be, but enjoy the day. Happy Tiki Tuesday, folks.